If you're planning on completing a renovation project, I'm going to share with you a commonly overlooked but very important step you may want to consider taking before beginning your project. So most homes in Toronto are quite old. Very few homes have been built past, say, roughly 1980-ish in Toronto, speaking specifically for detached, semi-detached, and row houses. And the problem with renovating a home of an older vintage is that for many, many years, asbestos was used in a lot of common building materials like plaster, drywall, different types of insulation that you would put in an attic, among others. So if you're thinking of doing a renovation that would involve disturbing one of those building elements, such as, for example, and very commonly, taking down plaster or drywall or something like that, then you may want to consider getting a designated substance survey completed in order to test the different materials in your home to see if they have the presence of asbestos in them. Whether it's you or a general contractor who is going to be completing the project, you want to make sure that the space is a safe environment for the work to be completed in. If you need the contact information of a great environmental assessment service, please just reach out and get in touch. I'd be happy to provide you with contact information of a great provider, somebody who I've used for myself, and my clients and friends have also used as they've begun to undergo a renovation project themselves. I'm Harnish, Toronto Real Estate Navigator with Bosley Real Estate. Thank you so much for your time. Appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you again. Take care.